Reproduction in lower and higher plants. Part pollination. Pollination. Transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of flower same plant or different plant is known as pollination. 1. Pollen grains being non-motile, for the transfer of pollen grains agencies or agents are required are known as pollinating agents. 2. Pollinating agents are two types are abiotic agents wind, water, beak biotic agents birds, insects, snails, bats, animals. Types of pollination. 1. Self-pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the same flower or different flower of same plants of same species. Self-pollination. Stigma. Pollen. Anther. 2. Cross-pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from the anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower of different plants of same species. Pollen. Cross-pollination. Plus stigma. Anther. Pollination can be divided into 3 types on the basis of source of pollination are autogamy, self-pollination, B. Geitonogamy, C. Xenogamy. Geitonogamous. Self-pollination. Pollination. Cross-pollination. Cross-pollination. A. Autogamy, self-pollination. It is a type of pollination in which bisexual flower is pollinated by its own pollen grains ickled. Autogamy. Anther. A. Autogamy, self. Pollination. Stigma. 1. It is transfer of pollen grains from anther stigma of same flower. Only. It is possible only in bisexual flowers. 2. Offsprings produced are genetically identical to their parents e.g. 3. When flower opens to expose its sex organs, it is called chasmogamous. I. Bisexuality, male and female reproductive structures are present in same flower. E. Homogamy, anther and stigma of a flower become mature at the same time. E. Cleistigamy, self-pollinated, takes place before the opening of flower. Underground. Flowers in some plants shows cleistigamy, e.g. Camelina bengalensis. Plants like Viola, Camelina can produce both chasmogamous and cleistigamous flowers on the same plant. B. Geitonogamy, geiton equals neighbor. It is transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of a different flower of same plant. 1. LT involves pollinating agents. 2. LT cannot bring about genetic variations only of ecological significance, e.g. Cucurbita maxima. 3. It is similar to autogamy as pollen grains come from same plant. Pollination can be divided into 3 types on the basis of source. Self-pollination. A. Autogamy. Pollen transfer within one flower. B. Geitonogamy. Pollen transfer between flowers of one plant individual. Cross-pollination. C. Xenogamy. Shiv. Educate. Pollen transfer between flowers of different plant individuals varieties. C. Xenogamy. Cross-pollination, outbreeding, transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of another flower of a different plant of same species with the help of pollinating agency. It generates genetically varied offsprings, e.g. papaya. Cross-pollination, outbreeding. Pollenola. Pollen. Pollen. Pollen grains. Pollination. Ovule. Pollen. Stigma. Ovary. Thank YOUBY. Shiv Educate.